Holy shit! What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Today we're gonna be finally installing Gonzo's new exhaust. This dumbass. You want to show him what you got?
Okay, the show.
It's gonna be the cheapest exhaust you can ever buy. Yeah. It's cheaper than eBay.
Before I show you, alright, this is as hot boy as it gets, alright. I've been wanting, it was either this exhaust or straight pipe, and it just happened that like,
ooh,
y'all fucking Tomei.
That shit looks beat to shit, bro.
Yeah, that just means it has more experience.
Hey, respect.
Yeah, fuck it.
That's fucking hard.
So this is the world's cheapest Tomei.
How much did you spend on it?
Can we bleep it out? Cause I don't want to say, I'm still kind of ashamed.
Yeah, do it.
It was $1.
What the fuck?
Why'd you call me?
Why can't I call you, bitch?
Because I'm doing a video right now. You're interrupting.
A video about what?
The Tomei that we're installing.
It's broken.
Yeah.
So is your G.
I like it.
Your G's broken.
So I'll still get your butthole.
Bet? Bring it here right now. Right now.
I bet my exhaust will fit right in your butthole because it's so loose.
I don't feel comfortable with this. So anyways, I went ahead and picked this up locally off a guy going to Z.
Michael, drop it down. He's been in the videos.
Yeah, he's actually, and that fool slides it, and he actually bought it off someone who had it on another Z who crashed it, and that's why it's like this. So this has some history, and I thought, like, as you can tell, we don't care about this car anyways.
We're trolls, right?
Exactly.
It's full set for the boys.
So why not just get a Tomei that's beat to We'll be back after this commercial break. So I thought about it, I'm like, why don't we just get a Tomei that's been beat to shit already? So this is
Full set, right?
That's what we have.
This is a budget build.
Keep in mind that this was very expensive for me, so basically it's fine. So I'm probably not gonna be doing any more mods to my car. This is it. This is done.
Bro, this shit costs you like $20. You need to relax, right?
We gotta show them the wheels and the bash bar. You guys still haven't seen that, and some aerodynamics.
So I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of what I did to Gonzo's Z. He can thank me later. This bash bar that we got from DefWorks, I ended up painting it gold, the same as I painted the plenum. So it gives it a really good contrast. And I also painted the brake calipers. I'll show you guys right now. But before that, I want to show you guys the paint work that I did on his fake replica TE37s. I painted them gloss white with cheap paint. He didn't even sand it down, so we went full sand on it. And my dad, shout out to Static Dad, he did a gold flake on it. We'll clean the wheels in a little bit and show you guys, or you can probably see right now. It looks like it's just dirt particles right now just because it's dirty, but it does give it a gold shimmer. I did paint the stock calipers gold, just like the Brembos that come on these cars, so I know he wanted to feel a little special, so I did that for him too. And the last thing that I did was I helped him install his Rocket Bunny replica duckbill, which was actually paint matched and it came with the car, so we installed it. It wasn't let me rephrase that. This is perfect because I did it, and then I don't know if you want to show him your work. You can see there is a huge ass gap that he decided to leave there. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be redoing that, and since we're at it, since we're gonna be installing the Tomei, I recommended that he does a bumper tuck. So I've never done that before, but we're gonna full send it. I'm pretty sure it's really easy. There are little brackets I believe we have to remove and then push up and then drill. And we're gonna do that first before we install the Tomei. And full send for the boys.
These are real tees. This is authentic Rocket Bunny, and you fucked this shit up, right? Because you told me to leave it molded, and I was heating that shit up, and so it's stuck right here, and then it didn't stick over here, but that doesn't matter because we're gonna take it off and we're gonna drill it anyways because we don't care.
We did make new stickers. I know you guys have been messaging us about it just because we discontinued all of our old ones. So this is gonna be our new one. As you can see, it does have a sparkle effect. So they're $7, and this is how they look on a replica Z. Pretty clean.
That's nuts. You got orders from Ohio, Las Vegas.
I know, that's all from last night because
Barstow.
I did drop that. Well, it's gonna be a different day, but I dropped this yesterday of the making of this video, and people already ordered a bunch. Ooh, you like Brucey Poo, huh? This is Static Bruce? I don't like how he's doing that, bro.
Is that actually?
That's really giving us our address. Look at that.
69th Street. Fucking dick, huh? People are actually gonna show up now.
Unfortunately, we're not doing international orders, and I know someone messaged me a while back and I told them that we were gonna start. I just wanted to see the price differences, but I haven't done that yet, so I apologize. But I do need to ship out all these orders and put your guys' orders in because they're not pre-orders like the hoodies that we made. I actually have them in stock, so the moment you guys send them to me, it'll probably be like a day for me to package them and then I'll send them out. So make sure to click on our website because it is live and we're gonna be dropping a lot of stuff in January, which is obviously for 2019.
As you guys saw in the last video, this is just the new thing. It's a ritual for the boys.
I think it's this, right?
Yeah, so this is Gonzo's little cousin. Alright, here you go. You're gonna try opening it. You're gonna pull some. No? Wrong way. Well, I mean you can't do it that way.
You go
we do it
inside.
under it's easier. So like
that?
yeah, and then pry it out. No, hit the pry it. Yeah.
There you go. Oh, you got it?
Oh, you keep doing it, keep doing it.
That was not my cousin no more.
I'm not even your cousin.
Yeah, I know.
There you go, boy. I gotta fill up the Z real quick though before we start the video, so I just gotta. Alright.
Just start spitting in it. Just. Oh, Jesus, what the fuck?
If you guys want us to pull a prank on somebody with this, let us know. I'm not gonna say where we got it from. That's very confidential. But if you guys want us to do a prank, comment down below on who we should prank. Obviously, it's not gonna be anyone from Static. It have to be like a family member. Mid-edit, and I have to put these wood blocks for him to drive on because it's too goddamn low to even jack it up. I'm gonna go under the car right now to show you guys how to remove the little brackets that hold the actual exhaust. As you can see, there's one on each side and they're just a Phillips, so you can use a Phillips screwdriver or a drill to get these things out. Alright, so I'll remove it. Okay, so it should just come, holy shit. Should just come off like that.
That shit broke it.
So what I'm assuming you have to do is actually push this up and drill into the rear crash bar. That's my guess. I'm gonna look it up real quick just to double check, but as you can see without the brackets, obviously easy to bend in, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and go from there. So this is how the bumper looks with the two exhaust cutouts, and since we're gonna be doing the bumper tuck, this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna look a lot better, especially with the single exit, because if you have the dual exit with a single, it doesn't look as good. It feels like something's missing. So now we're just gonna leave it like this. We're gonna drill it in because I guess there is different ways of doing it. So we're just gonna drill it into the crash bar. What I did was I drilled a small hole with a drill bit to get the hole going, and then I just drilled these. These aren't self-tap it. I would recommend doing self-tap it, but I just used these, drill it in as much as I can, and then I tightened it with an 8mm. But obviously, your screws might be different. But all we're gonna be doing is just drilling them in all the way over here. We're gonna probably do like 3 more. We're gonna work our way that way and just hold it while we're drilling it in, and yeah, it should be pretty easy. What's up?
Go look at me.
Oh God! Oh.
So many beautifuls.
We're gonna get so much hate.
Look at it. Look at this. This is proper way to do a bumper tug, alright?
Yeah, I don't care what anyone.
You're gonna watch those stupid ass videos on YouTube. This is the real way to do it. I'm gonna be real with you.
Well, all these YouTubers are buying expensive Tomeis. This is us now. We're poor. So you guys gotta subscribe, share, like, and comment so we can afford a real Tomei.
This still sounds nicer than TJ's 350.
That is the ugliest tip I've ever seen, but I love it at the same time. That shit looks so hard, bro. Single tip.
Dude, this is some titanium, my G.
So that's where the hanger is So we're gonna spray some WD-40 just so it can go in there, because obviously these hangers weren't being used, because this fool doesn't like driving with the quiet car.
Before I bought the car like that. And also, I'm gonna just tell you right now, any Z owners, if you don't have money for stock exhaust, just take the bitch out. Leave the white pipe right there. It sounds.
They sound like a trombone regardless.
Well, that's how you know you got a real man exhaust right there. You fucking. That looks so dope. I'll go fuck with you.
I hate you.
This is the. It's funny though, cause this is probably the worst Tomei you can buy. Not
And the
worst
cheapest.
It's the cheapest Tomei in the world, but it's a Tomei. It's not rep. It's a real Tomei. It's just beat to shit.
They're having real wheels, but they're a little beat up. It's fine, right? It's still respect. Just dropped it, and it's not that bad. Actually, on the bottom, yeah, it's pretty bad, especially since it's on wood. Oh, what's up, Stephanie?
What's up?
How are
Daniel?
you? Respect you. It looks good with the white wheels, huh?
Yes. Looks so much better.
So nice.
Me too.
That looks so good with the Tomei too. I feel like it finally completes it now that you didn't have a fucking exhaust. But it's so low. Full send.
You hear something? Ready for this?
Alright. That sounds so good, bro. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Do it again. Bro, I thought it was gonna be quieter.
That's just way louder.
Me and Stephanie are gonna do the first drive around.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey, Daddy!
I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, that shit was scraping everywhere, so we definitely have to adjust it. I don't know how my buddy Michael had it set up.
It's not as raspy in the car though.
No, it sounds really nice.
I like
dude.
that.
It sounds really fucking good. Honestly, if we get it down where it won't hit, because obviously the Tomeis sit low naturally, but that's way too fucking low. We're definitely gonna have to adjust it right now, so that's what we're gonna be doing. And once we get it a little higher, then we'll give you guys some pulls. But it is getting a little dark, so the pulls are gonna be at night, just because it took us a little longer than anticipated. But yeah, so we're gonna do that really quick, and then we're gonna go to the pulls. All right, so we're gonna be slapping the static sticker on the Miata.
Dirty Miata. That needs a wash.
So dirty. We have more of these, don't worry about it. I'm gonna have to eyeball it, so hopefully I get it down. So this is the middle.
Ooh. Not even low. You're right. I'm not even low.
Yeah, but she's definitely gonna be low soon.
When?
In a week.
In a week?
I even have one slapped on my E46, even though I took off all my stickers. This one's just really fucking nice, especially with that sparkle. So you already know I had to do it on my car too.
So after playing with it, we realized that you actually need to like slide the hanger all the way to like the end of the canister, like pointing towards the white pipe, and it's gonna. Yeah, do it. Here, here's a pull. Here's a pull.
Yeah, it's scraping.
I just need to raise the rear.
We'll do an in-cabin noise. Obviously, he is gutted, so you can hear a little more, but.
Yeah, it's scraping, bro.
We expected we were gonna run into problems, and it's not necessarily because it's beat up. It's more just because it's fucking low. It always sit low.
My car's beat up. That's what it
So
is.
no. So pretty much he's gonna have to be careful doing anything with the Tomei for now until we raise it, which we'll probably raise it in a couple days, if not tomorrow.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.